5 little ducklings flapped their wings. Off they went to find new things. They waddled over hills so wide, quacking with joy side by side. Mama Duck said, "Come back please." She called and quacked beneath the trees, but only 4 came paddling back with splishy splashy feet that smack. 4 ducklings played near a shiny pond. Of buzzing bees they grew quite fond. They chased the butterflies in air, having fun without a care. Mama Duck said, "Where'd you go?" She quacked again so they would know, but only 3 came waddling fast, quacking, giggling home at last. 3 ducklings danced in grassy fields, twirling, laughing, doing cartwheels. They sang with frogs a bouncy song, but soon the day grew much too long. Mama Duck said, "It's getting late." She stood beside the garden gate, but only 2 came running back, covered in mud from a ducky snack. 2 ducklings splashed in a puddle deep, jumping high with a joyful leap. They played peekaboo with a mole, then rolled around in a muddy hole. Mama Duck said, "Time for bed." She shook her wings and bowed her head, but only 1 came through the gate, quacking softly, not too late. 1 duckling yawned beneath a tree, missing all his friends, you see. He heard a call from far away and knew it was time to end
Quack,
the
quack.
day.
Where are my little ducklings?
Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack.